is what we did for 2 days in Bordeaux. We went for a look around some different churches, which was really, really cute. I love the stained glass windows. I went to the Skolmiora, and I had the pink drink on the menu, which was really nice, really sweet, and I think I had some gin in. We then went to get some tapas, which had some cold meats in. We went somewhere called Margaretti. We also got some tomatoes and a burrata, and I absolutely loved it. It melted in your mouth, popped straight open in the middle. It was just stunning. I loved it.
Oh my god. Yeah.
So impressed by the mains that we thought we must get a dessert as well, so we got a nice creme brulee just to finish off. Cruises are really popular in Bordeaux, so we thought we'd go on one. We got to listen to a bit of the history, but to be honest I can't remember much because we just drank some wine instead. We got to see the tallest lift bridge in Europe, which was really cool, as there was someone cleaning the windows, which looked a bit like Spider-Man. See a cute land train going around the town. We didn't go on it ourselves, but it did look really nice and looked like it was family friendly. We went for some lunch at Les Savages, and I got a matcha latte, my mum got a normal latte. I got a chicken burger with a side salad, and my mum got a gluten-free halloumi burger with a side salad as well. It was really nice that they could accommodate her needs. There's Lumière's, which is an art and music show. We got to see La Petite Prince, which translates to The Little Prince, and is a story about taking responsibility for our actions and decisions. I do really recommend going. It was a really nice art experience. It was about £10 per person. Photo booth that you can go in at the end to try and mess around with all the different art there is to show. You can get these printed out for £4 per picture. There is also a souvenir shop, which I got a nice little sketchbook from, which was also reduced. Went for a cute walk along the pier.
A UFO has just landed in Bordeaux, in the river, right now.
And we then stumbled across the Australian bar / Cafe Oz, which my mum insisted we went in because I'm moving to New Zealand, so she's going to miss me a lot. We played on the pinball machine, but there was also darts and beer pong to play. Whatever tickles your fancy, and we got to see this lovely view again. On the tallest lift bridge in Europe, we got the chance to take some lovely pictures while the sun was setting, which made everything so much more nicer. Evening, we went to the fun fair, which I don't know if is there all year round, but it was when we went, which was in October. We went on this really scary ride where as soon as we sat down and then paid, this man went all the way up the ladder and was trying to fix it, and we'd already paid and we couldn't get off by this point, so we were very scared that we could fall out because he was just there fixing it just as we were about to go on it. We also saw lots of other rides, but we only went on one for that evening. The next day we did go back and go on the Ferris wheel though. Lots of sweet treats if anyone's interested. There were lots of waffles, crepes, candy floss, like sugary sweet belts, lollipops, lots of different things. We saw a water fountain, and here's the Ferris wheel that we go on the next day. We got some lunch and it was really, really nice. We then saw the City Divine while on the boat tour, so we thought we'd go. Really nice to learn some more of the history about wine. There was lots and lots of grapes, and I thought there was only ever going to be about 5 different types of grapes, but there was honestly about 100. I thought there was only going to be red and black and green grapes. But no, if you wanted to know, this is how many grapes there are in the world. Handsets and headphones, so we could listen to the tour and pick what language you need to listen to it in. It was showing us how wine is made and what is needed to make wine and how much time and effort goes into it. My favourite bit, how we got to interactively jump on the different grapes to then make our own wine. It was really, really fun. To do a questionnaire, which means you pick a different car or country, and it tells you what wine you are at the end. Italian sparkling wine, Prosecco, Cartier's Airs. Love this experience where you got to go around and smell all the different scents. Apparently smell has a massive impact on if you will like the wine or not, and it goes like into your taste buds as well, so what you can smell is what you can taste. At the end of the tour of history, we then get a nice glass of wine, which is included in the ticket. Next, Shanghai.